Hey guys, so here we're at the project. This is day one at the demo, and as you can see, we're losing a subfloor. We're getting some bracing underneath the house to kind of support some of the sagging 100-year-old house to be expected. So we're gonna get a 9-foot joist right here with an additional couple piers, or gonna be an additional joist in the kitchen to kind of support that extra weight. Like I said, a 100-year-old house, but we did find some surprises. One, we found this window behind the shower install. Someone just decided to put a fiberglass shower insert over the top of the window without framing it out and deleting the window. The other thing we found, which is super creepy, is the guys doing the subfloor work found a bone when they were digging for the pilings. So I'm hoping we don't find any additional bones. It's not really all that uncommon in this area. It's a historical Civil War area. People kind of buried whatever they needed to, where they needed to, and we're right in the downtown. So like I said, this house is about 100 years old, but the ground underneath it has a lot more history than just 100 years. So hopefully we don't find anything additional. My plumber said that he's out of here if we find a skull. So fingers crossed, this is all we've got. Have a good one, guys.